How to turn on or turn off DOF Adapter Correction on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the control button, then tap on settings, and in camera settings, we scroll down and tap on camera assistant. If you do not have one, you need to install it. Then we scroll down, and in here, tap on DOF Adapter Correction. Tap on it and then tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here it said that this features requires an external accessory. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.